Hi, my name's Tony and I'm here to help you apply Postsaver's Wrap and Tack to your fence and gate posts. To apply Postsaver's Pro-Sleeve Wrap and Tack, you're going to need a hot air gun or a gas blowtorch, and a roller if you're using square posts. You'll also need a stapler and a knife. You need to ensure that your hot air gun is at least 2 kilowatts in power. You can find all our application tools on our website. We recommend measuring your hole, then adding 2 inches to this measurement to establish where the top of the sleeve will be located on the post. This extra 2 inches above ground is critical to ensure your pro sleeves work effectively. Once you've marked your post, tack the wrap into position. Move the wrap around your post to form your sleeve, ensuring that you tack 6 to 8 times. And that you've had a 2-inch overlap. Now simply trim the excess. For this shrinking example, we're going to be using a hot air gun. If you're going to be applying sleeves to 15 posts or more, we recommend that you use one of our gas blowtorches. You can find videos on how to use our gas blowtorches on our website. For the best shrinking results, keep out of windy conditions, as this will double the time it takes to apply the sleeve. When using a hot air gun, you need to do one face at a time. With your hot air gun, hold the gun close to the sleeve until you start to see the sleeve stick to the post. Then start to move left to right, moving down your post. When using square posts, you need to use a roller to roll each surface as you go, whilst the sleeve is still warm. This is to ensure that you get a good seal to the post. Do this on every side. You don't need to do this on round posts. When shrinking Pro Sleeve Wrap and Tack, make sure you do the stapled section last. A good sleeve application, you will see bitumen start to come through the top and the bottom. This is what we call the black ring of confidence. Also ensure you have a good seal on every side of your post. If for any reason you burn through or damage your sleeve, you will need to cut it off with a knife. Cut through the sleeve from top to bottom and peel it off. You will then need to reapply a new sleeve. Once sleeved, this post is now ready to be installed. Place your post into the hole and install it anywhere you wish. Just be careful not to damage the sleeve with any tamping tools or spades. There we go, all done. You can now be safe in the knowledge that this post will last.